Need a professional gas fitter in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how important it is to have safe and reliable gas lines in your home or business. Our expert gas fitting services cover everything from gas line installations and repairs to leak detection and inspections. Whether you're upgrading appliances, dealing with a gas leak, or need a new gas line, our licensed professionals ensure the job is done safely and up to code. In Sherwood Park, weather conditions and aging infrastructure can put extra strain on gas lines. That's why we offer fast, reliable service to keep your system running safely and efficiently. Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert gas fitting, backed by experience, professionalism, and a commitment to safety. Visit our website or call us now to book your service today.